there, everybody. Heather Klontmaker with At Home Realty, and I am standing outside of Holland's hottest new listing on the north side of Holland. This property has been renovated top to bottom, inside out, amazing finishes that are both classic and yet on trend with what buyers are looking for today. So if you or anyone you know are looking for a great home on the north side that you could be in by Christmas, this is it. Hey David, how you doing? I'm just outside of my new listing on the north side of Holland, letting people know that this home is available. It's been renovated top to bottom, and it is definitely move-in ready to go. Someone could be in here by Christmas. So I am going to flip it around. So we're on 160th here. And here is the house. Here's the front door. I'm not going to do a full tour. Again, we are at 67 North 160th. But here we go. So you come on in to the living room. One of the first things you'll notice about this house is how light, bright, and airy it is, and how on trend it is. So they've added the can lighting, new flooring. Everything has been given an upgrade, new trim and doors throughout. Here on the main level, you come in to the kitchen. I absolutely love the architectural detail here of the board and batten with the soft blue walls. I think it creates a cozy, homey feeling that is what a lot of buyers are looking for. Hey Sarah, just giving everybody a tour of this awesome new listing in Holland. Over here you have the kitchen, so plenty of storage space here. There's my Starbucks. Plenty of storage space here, lots of cabinetry. It's all been redone. You can see that we have white shaker style cabinets that are gorgeous, beautiful pools. You have all new appliances, so French door fridge, that's what I have personally. Absolutely love it. Again, crown molding, lots of details on the trim work, gas stove. I can't tell you how many times I go into houses and buyers say that they are disappointed that a home has an electric stove. So here you don't run into that. Again, so many great finishes. Great sink. Hey Amy, how are you? I'm showing my new listing on the north side of Holland. Dishwasher, under cabinet lighting, subway tile backsplash, just decorated really well, very much on point. Upstairs, when we head that way, you have some bedrooms. So we have 3 beds up here and a full bath. So here is the first of 2 full bathrooms. So this is the upstairs bathroom. There it is. We're gonna head on over here. Again, all the doors and trim have been replaced throughout. So you have that craftsman look here with the trim. Here's an extra, kids bedroom, office, whatever you want it to be. Nice hall closet, secondary bedroom here. And then over here, you have the master. So I know it's always hard to tell on video, but it's a very decent sized room, and it comes with 2 closets. So plenty of space for all your goodies. Heading on down back to the main level. When we get to the main level, we're going to take a right and head down the stairs here to the lower level. Absolutely love the way this lower level is finished off. Right here you come in and you have a large bonus room, family room, rec room, call it what you want. I call it awesome. Here you have a great fireplace, brick. It's a wood burning fireplace, huge mantle. As we get to Christmas season, I can just imagine it all decked out for the holidays. Would be absolutely amazing. There's another bedroom down here. You have daylight windows, so that's a good thing. Lots of natural light again, and nice sized rooms all around. Let's see here. And then over here, this is one of my favorite areas in the house. Now, if you came to my house, I'm gonna be honest, you're gonna see piles of laundry in a lot of places. But if I had this laundry room, I might actually like doing my laundry. So yeah, love what he did here. You have the board and batten trim again. You have the shelves that have this kind of walnut stain. They're beautifully decorated and staged. You have walkout so you can get out to the patio. And again, this blue color is just very beachy and beautiful. And then down here you have the second full bathroom. So you have your vanity, you have more of the architectural details with the board and batten, and check out this tiled shower. This thing is absolutely amazing. It has a little niche, niches there. It has a bench, just beautiful tile work, nicely sized. Again, one more shot of my favorite room, the laundry room. yeah, so this one just hit the market a few hours ago. So super excited about it because it's a great home. For those of you that follow me, you saw my home, you know, back in September, August timeframe, and it was a similar style. So I feel right at home here, and I know you would too. Again, we're close to the beach, close to Tunnel Park, close to so many amenities. So yeah, if you know of anybody looking for a great home, move-in ready on the north side of Holland, let me know because this is it. Have a great day, guys.